see. Let us see. Let's see. Okay, looks like it's recording. What's left now is for me to share my screen, and then from there, I've got something for you. Okay, guys, I see Rufin, the Alice is just joined. Mita is there. Ts.atempe. Rebecca Motlows, Kim Zozo is just joined. It looks like squad is pelele. Okay. Let me mute and see. Okay, guys. Here comes a question. Question number 11, where they say two ships A and B are 120 kilometers apart. Ship A is at a bearing of 67 degrees from B. Okay. And $97 kilometers away from D. Okay. DN points true north. And ship B at a bearing of 208 degrees from D. Okay. A diagram is provided on diagram sheet 3. A diagram is provided on diagram sheet 3. A diagram is provided on diagram sheet 3. Diagram sheet 3. Okay, now I see. Even though I don't know what they want you to do there. But otherwise, it's fine. Let's go back to the question and see what's happening there. So now they say, hey, what's going on there? Okay, looks like we have some things there which we will look into, but it's fine. Okay. Now they want you to determine the bearing of ship A from ship B. And that is angle B in triangle MBA when BM is equals to DN. Yeah. And they're giving you 6 marks. So this question will just remind you that you now need to think deep. You are no longer in grade 11 where things are given to you straightforward, but now you need to think deep. The only tip that I can give is that maybe let me not even give you a tip. Should I give you a tip? No. Let me not give you a tip and just let you guys work on it. Yeah. Because if that and that, we can that, yeah. Maybe the tip that I can give you is that remember what they taught you about the sine rule and the cosine rule. You might need to remember those. Again, can you use right-angled triangle tools to answer this question? That's if you have a right-angled triangle. If you don't have, just don't touch it. That's all that I can say from my side, and I don't want to say more. Guys, are you working there? Can you see what you're supposed to do? Can you guys see the work that you need to work on?
Yes,
yes, sir.
I can see.
Good. I'm still not sure if it's legal to say good, good, goodest, but it sounds nice for one to say good, good, goodest. There you go. This is an exam. We've got that question. Let me not talk much because I'm going to end up giving you some tips. As soon as you get an answer, you comment in the comment section with your answer. I will give you until 2015, until quarter past 8. Yes, I'll give you until that time. I wonder if there's someone who's done. Let me just check. Okay, means you guys are still working on it. If you have just joined, maybe let me write this so that you know when I'm expecting the answer. So this one I want it at 2015, meaning at 8:15, I want the answer for that one. Okay. Okay. We've got one comment. Someone is saying that. Uh, okay. Alice has commented. Okay. Looks like I will extend the time. I will make it 2020. So make it 2020. Let us see. Hey, is it difficult? Guys, what's happening there?
Yeah.
Are you still working on it? Or what's happening? No one has made a comment. What's happening there, guys? Hmm? Are you still working on it? What's happening? Still no comment. Okay, then it's fine. It's fine. We will therefore do it step by step. Is there anyone who would say, I think I've got no idea regarding where to start? We will then do it together, and we will do it up to a point where we can, just so that you will have a start. Because something that you need to realize, this is an exam question paper, so you might not fully be at that level, but we will do it until up to the level that you are. Guys, anyone who wants to do it with me, who says I completely do not know where to start?
Sir, I think I've got an idea on how to do it.
You've got an idea of how to do it. Okay, it's fine. Maybe let's discuss the ma'alis. How am I going to... Okay, it's fine. I will just erase this part, and then I'll use that space to write it. Ali the ma'alis. Where are we going to start, or how are we going to start?
Well, sir, I think you would start using the sine rule. So,
Yes,
because you've got angles and sides over here.
okay.
So, we've got angle BDA and sine, and we've got, oh yeah, angle BDA, and we've got the side AB and DA. So the sine area rule says, well, if we were to use it, it will go sine BDA over 120 is equal to what's a sine DBA over 97.
Okay, 100%. That is the way to start it. Maybe let me quickly explain this to other honorable members, so that as we work on it, everyone knows what we are doing. So guys, remember, we have a right-angled triangle which has that. Any other triangle that does not have this thing, then it is not a right-angle triangle. Always, when you have a right-angle triangle, you will always use a SOHCAHTOA. So that means you can use your sine, cos, and then tan. And lastly, you can use theorem of Pythagoras every time when you have a right-angle triangle. But if you don't have right-angle triangle, you will use the sine rule, and you will also use the cos rule. Okay. So now, when we look at what we are given there, it looks like we don't have a right angle triangle. That's one thing for sure. We definitely don't have a right angle triangle because we do not see that. So that means this could be point A, B, and C. Doesn't matter that much. What you should know is that when it comes to the sine rule, for now, let me not talk about the cosine. Let me talk about the sine rule. The sine rule says if you have an angle with its opposite side, and again, you've got an angle with its opposite side that you may be looking for, then you can use the sine rule. That's how the sine rule works. So what the Ma'alis is saying is that we have an angle. You see, there it's an angle, and we have its opposite side. This angle, he's probably looking for that angle, and then we have its opposite side. So that means we are given a triangle, which is not a right angle triangle. This is the angle, there is the side. And then this is what he might be looking for because we have that side. Ali, did I represent you well on that explanation?
I think you did, sir.
Okay, then it's fine. Let's continue. So what is it that you were calculating for?
Sir, I was calculating for angle DBA, and I got 48.08 degrees.
Okay, before we get to that, let's quickly write the formula. What will the formula be? So since we are looking for the angle, then sine has to be a numerator. Sine, always if you are looking for an angle, then it must be at the top. Sine angle is opposite which side? It's opposite side AD. Let me just write this formula, Alice. Then you'll be forced to have sine of the angle that you already have over AB. Okay, sine B is what you are looking for. I'll just substitute for you AD. What is AD? It is 97. And then sine of angle. What did you substitute there, the Alice?
It was 208, sir.
So you substituted 208 there.
Yes, sir.
Okay, why did you substitute 208?
Sorry, sir?
Why did you substitute 208? Maybe why did you not substitute 68?
Sir, I think I made a mistake. Yeah, I accidentally substituted in 67 instead of 208 inside of my
Uh,
normal equation.
you had to substitute what? 67.
Was it 67, sir? I think it was 208. So
Yeah.
sine 208 over 120.
No. I just want to find out here, are you substituting 208 or are you substituting 67?
We're 208, sir.
Yeah, so I wanted to find out why did you substitute 208? Maybe why did you not substitute 67?
Well, so with 208, it's opposite the 120 kilometers. 67 is just leading off to nowhere.
Okay, but the question now is the 208, is it an interior angle of your triangle?
208, is it an interior angle?
Yes, is it an interior angle of the triangle that you are dealing with? Your triangle is BAD. The 208,
Yes,
is it an inside of that?
it is inside, sir.
So is it from there to there?
Yes, sir.
Because from what I'm seeing, the Ma'alis, there is that, and then 208. It starts from that line and then it does that up until there.
Oh, is that 208? Oh, so then you should take 208 minus 67.
But already you got Mortimos.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yeah. So that's how tricky things can be in grade 12, the Ma'alis. That's how, not necessarily tricky, but these are some of the things in which they will use to just confuse, not necessarily to confuse, but they just want to check if you can check. So you need to be very careful, honorable members. You need to be very careful. Okay, you can very quickly correct it, the Ma'alis, and then
I had to take
update.
hotspot from your phone, and I'm sitting next to the Wi-Fi because I was like, let me switch it off for a while. Fine.
Hey, Moira, where are you sitting? Where are you sitting, Moira? Okay. Guys, did you understand what I was discussing with the Ma'alis there? Akona atayanda didintle gracious. Helriki mzozolfuno menlonke. Mita Moira, who's sitting somewhere over 9. Tati Rebecca Rufin. T Stembe. Did you guys understand what I was discussing with the Ma'alis there?
Yes,
Especially
sir.
that part of the angle.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then all of you guys very quickly calculate that angle B. Soon as you get an answer, then comment in the comment section. So you might need to correct that. Calculate that angle as soon as you get an answer, comment in the comment section. Doesn't matter if it takes us the whole hour to focus on this, honorable members. What matters the most is your yes.
So after I calculated it, I got 30,58 degrees for angle B.
Okay, then it's fine. You can just comment it in the comment section. Round it to 2.
What should we do? Yeah. We Sam. Go back. Man.
As soon as you're done, comment in the comment section. And from there, I want to take you somewhere. As soon as you're done with that one, I want to take you somewhere. Okay. Just want to give you guys a taste of what you might need to expect. The level of difficulty when it comes to Let me check. Okay, we've got 3 comments. Okay, then it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. So for now, with regards to this question, we will definitely leave it right here. I will then take you to the next question. I realize there are some things that we need to go through before we can continue with this question. There's some things that we need to go through before. Okay. So now this is the question that you need to very quick. Okay, that 30 point something is correct. That 30 point something is correct. 2040. Yes, at 2040, I need an answer for that one. That is 9.1, where you need to very quickly simplify. That is the question that you need to quickly work on. So that means we've got 5 minutes on that question. Guys, are you working on it? What's happening there? So you have exactly 5 minutes to quickly work it out. Let's see. Guys, are you working on it?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, then it's fine. It's fine. Got exactly 5 minutes to work on it. As soon as you are done, you just comment in the comment section with your answer. It's almost time up, and I'm not sure if I've given you enough time to work on it. I've got only one comment, and Longy got -1. Okay, let's wait for others to comment. I will extend the time, but just a few more minutes. This is an opportunity to test yourself, honorable members. This is an opportunity to test yourself. So very quickly try to work on it and see what is it that you would get if you had to work it out. If you don't give yourself an opportunity to get it wrong, trust me, honorable members, just trust me, you will just get it wrong in an exam and you won't notice because there's no one to notify you of your mistakes. But if you give it a try and you get it wrong, that's how you learn. You won't be able to see, but the one who has done it wrong, they are the ones who are experiencing it. And they won't be able to tell what they are experiencing. But trust me, in an exam, they will notice that, okay, I think I remember this thing. I remember this thing, and this is how I've done it, and this is how I was wrong. Then possibly I might need to apply a different approach. But if you did not do it at all, there's a difference. You will experience that in an exam and you will let me know. And let me quickly check if you guys are commenting. Okay, we've got 4 comments. What are you guys getting? -1. Yo. Okay. If all of you are getting -1, then we won't need to do it. I will just say, work it out until you get -1. Okay, so now let's wrap up with question number 8. Something that I can say with question number 8 is that you see this, it's a way of telling you the possible quadrants in which your triangle should be. So they are saying starting from 0 up until 270, or they are saying your angle is between 90 and 270. So that means your triangle, it's either is there or it is there. How are you going to know whether it is in that quadrant or this quadrant? Then this should tell you. How is it going to tell you? You must know what is the ratio for your sine. See, no, it is your opposite over hypotenuse, which is the same as, what is it? Y over R. Then you need to check if your 8, the 8 that you are given is positive, then it means you have positive Y. Always your R is positive. So you always use X and Y to check the quadrant in which your thing falls. Will your quadrant or your right angle triangle fall in there? Or will it fall in there? Then your Y value will tell you whether it falls in this quadrant or that quadrant. Then after you identified the correct quadrant, that's when you can complete by finding that if it falls there, or finding that and finding that if it falls there. Then once all of that is done, you can go for 8.1, 8.2, 8.3, and then in the comment section, you comment with your answers. Did you guys understand what I was doing there? I won't say much, but I will leave it there. But did you guys understand what I was explaining there regarding
Yes,
how
sir.
to know in which quadrant it falls? Did you
Yes,
all
sir.
Yes, sir.
Tembe, did you understand, honorable member?
Oh, yes, sir, understood.
Okay, goodest. Then it's fine. Very quickly work on it. As soon as you get an answer, you comment. So when you answer, you will just say 8.1, this is it. 8.2, this is it. 8.3, this is it. And then, okay, I will give you yes, in one comment. You comment in one comment. So you will submit all of that. I'll give you 10 minutes. So that means at 20:55, you must comment. At 20:55. Is it 10 minutes? 15? Yes, I think it's 5. Yes, it's 10 minutes. So you've got 10 minutes to work it out. And then you comment once you are done. Oh, I'm a bit left. Okay. Let's see what you guys are getting there. Oh, okay. We've got some comments. Let us see. Let me see. Yes, this is how you should comment. You do 15 same, 15 over that same. Okay, that one got negative. Kim still got negative. Okay. Negative. 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 You see, exactly what I was saying, that with regards to the answers, you will get to a situation where your answer will either be positive or negative. You just need to be very careful of that. I'm pretty much sure that who got the sign, they got it wrong at this stage. Guys, just be aware that when you use theorem of Pythagoras, because this is where you get it wrong. You do everything correctly, but when you get to this, you just get it wrong. Just know, honorable members, that this thing is always positive. This one, it's either is positive or minus. This is either positive or minus. So when you calculate your x, just know that when you do the square root, it will always be positive or negative, even for y. Then, if you are calculating for x, there is no way you can have a positive x value in this quadrant. There's no way. There's just no way. Your x value must be negative in this quadrant. The moment it is positive, just know that everything that has to do with x is wrong. If we move on to a new topic and you don't get used to this information, then you'll be in trouble. Okay, so these are the answers. This you must just do until you get negative 8 over 15. You must just do until you get negative 15 over 17. And this one, you must just do until you get 161 over 289. So can you guys see? It's not like I will always do it for you. You must just have to do it until you get that answer. If you don't, then that's when you can say, I've tried it, this is what I've done, and then I'm not getting the answer. Then I will let you know if I spot a mistake. If I don't, then you will need to catch up until you get it right. Guys, did you hear me on that one?
I
Yes,
did,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Good, goodest. Okay, guys, that's the end of it. For now, I will just remove that. Guys, I'm very much impressed up to this point. These questions that we are doing, these are final exam questions. So, if you are able to answer these final exam questions, trust me, if they give you a June exam, you're going to more it, you're going to enjoy it. It can't be more difficult than these, honorable members. An assumption is that final exams are more trickier than the ones before. Okay, guys, just be aware that I'm very much happy, very much impressed. At least it's not like you guys are blank, especially those you're not blank. It's just the trickness that we are trying to figure out, and there's no way in which we can teach you how examiner can be tricky, because that we will never know. But we just know that a question of this nature will come. We just don't know how it will come. So by us trying to solve them, that's how we learn how tricky examiner can be. Okay, guys. Sengphumile manje. Sengphumile manje.